Do you know how to add multiple category selection in the classified listing plugin? If you do not, then this video is for you. Before starting, let's first take a look at what a listing form looks like so we know exactly what we will be working with. Firstly, go to the classified listing plugin and then form builder. Here you can customize your category according to the input customization. If you want, you can select the multi-selection option and then set the maximum selection number. While done, click on this to save your form. Now let's back to the listing form. Based on what we saw at the beginning, now we will provide our customized elements here. So provide the listing type, then set your category like cars. However, you can add multiple categories together if you want. Then for the product information, provide your title, fix your price, and write the description in details about your product. For the featured and gallery image, you can provide it from yourself. Then go to the contact details and give your location, zip code, address, phone number, and etc. And then click on submit. Now let's go to the listings. And from here, you can see your created listings. And this is your single listing details. You can see your categories as cat, dog, or pets. Now let's go to the listing form again to make another categories. For example, birds, cars, cats, or anyone what you want. Not only that, you can also set category selection limit. From here, if you set your category number, then you can provide that much categories here. And this is how you can set as much category selection limit as you want. So by following these each steps, you can add your multiple categories selection in Classify Listing plugin. So let's try it without wasting your time. Thank you.